Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm gonna do another Madden 24 Ultra Team video. And today, as you guys can see, I am on Madden 24. Now, when I was actually recording this part of the video, I wasn't like able to record my actual audio of me like talking about the game, but I was just opening up just regular packs in the game. And yeah, pretty much I actually finally was able to log on to Ultra Team, because last night, as you guys know, the game came out at 8, but literally on my side, bro, I literally could not get on Ultra Team till like, I think 11 p.m. or around that time. So around that time is when I finally was gonna go over my pre-order rewards. And by that time, I already opened up the Josh Allen pre-order pack. So you guys are gonna see that in my team that I have the 83 overall Josh Allen, which is kind of unfortunate because like, it was supposed to be an 86 overall Josh Allen, but they ended up giving us an 83 overall Josh Allen, which is kind of unfortunate, like I said. But also, there was a bunch of server issues last night, and pretty much every single game mode except franchise, mini games, practice mode. And a lot of people did not get their pre-order rewards, which sucks because obviously you guys paid money for the pre-order rewards, and some people haven't got them yet, or some people got double the pre-order rewards. It's just really weird. And another glitch is that people on specifically, I think, PS consoles, they got their pre-order rewards on the PS4, but they can't even transfer it over to their PS5 because the consoles don't like mix. So whatever you do on the PS4 type of Madden 24 is not gonna cross over to Madden 24 PS5 edition. So EA needs to fix a bunch of the issues with the pre-order rewards, because it's just really weird what they have been doing with the pre-order rewards. But as you guys can see on the screen, we are obviously going over all of the pre-order packs and everything. And yeah, it's just insane. Last night was so crazy because like literally no one was able to actually get their pre-order rewards. And if you were able to, like if you actually got lucky enough to actually get the pre-order rewards, like they just, like, you were supposed to get the 86 overall Josh Allen, and we got the 83 overall. But as you guys can see, I'm opening up the loyalty reward fantasy packs, the Hall of Fame packs, and pretty much every single pack. The loyalty reward pack, we actually didn't even know we were gonna get this pack, but we actually ended up getting it, which is obviously cool because now we have an extra card that you can get on your team. But I'm not gonna talk throughout this whole entire video because this video is long, and this video is raw footage, so there's really nothing that is getting cut out. The only thing that's getting cut out is like towards the last like couple minutes of the video, my game froze and I thought I wasn't gonna be able to get back on the EA servers, but they actually let me back in, which is good. So that's the only thing that you're gonna see cut out. But you're gonna see me building up my team from the 69 overall team all the way up to like a 74 overall team, and getting a bunch of players. Now, another bad thing is we don't even get our rookie premieres until like next week, which is another extremely bad thing, because now all those 84 overalls that we were supposed to get, now we have to wait even longer. And then the competitive pass comes out, I believe Friday or something like that, or Thursday. So we're not gonna have that much of a good team. But I don't want to let you guys know I am going to be going over a bunch of new videos throughout today, tomorrow, and pretty much every single day throughout this whole entire week. So definitely sub up to my channel, follow my Twitter account, because I will be having a bunch of info on my Twitter account going over the Madden stuff. It's just at Dev23Gaming. It's literally my channel name except on Twitter. So go follow that. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this raw footage of video. Sorry I wasn't able to actually like record it like better than what it is now, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed it. And yeah, it's pretty unfortunate, but I will see you guys in the next Madden 24 Ultimate Team video, going over the new field passes, how to access everything, like just a bunch of stuff. So you guys are definitely going to want to be subbed up for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.